Hello all, I welcome you all to my channel Python Tutorials. So today we will learn how to read data, write data or append data to a file. So let us begin. I already have Python installed in my PC. So let us create a Python file. So here I'll type cmd, and for creating new Python file type null for blank file, then file name with .py extension. So now we can see the file is created. Now let us open it for editing. Here now we know that in normal language, when we have to write or read any file, we first open it, then we write, append or read the data, and after reading it we close it. So in the programming language we will follow the same method. So f is the object for the file. Now we will create one text file. And since first we want to write the data in the file, therefore we have written W here. So I want to write Deepika Padukone in my file. Then after writing the data into my file, I closed it. The write, close and open are the functions. Now let us run the file or this Python script. So it is over. Yes, the file is created. Yes, now we can see we have written some data into our file. So now we will try to read that data. To read the data, we will use read function, and the mode here will be set as read. And we will print the data that we have written, that we have read. So let us see whether the data appears on the Python shell window or not. Here we can see the data is here. So what happens if we again open that file to write? Now suppose I want to write only apple. So let us see what happens. And once I write that file, and once I write the data to the file, then I will read the data. To see the resultant data. As we know, we have already written Deepika Padukone. Now let us see what will be the output. Yes, it's only apple. So friends, what happens is when we open any file in write mode, then it will overwrite that file. So the previous data will be deleted. So if we want to add any data and we want our old data to be there, then at that time we should use append. So now we will use the append method, and now I will write ball. Now let us see. Apple is already there. Now let us see what happens if we write ball into the file, or we can say append ball into the file. Yes, now here we can see both apple and ball exist. So this is all for today's tutorial. Here we have learned that how to read, write or append the data. Similarly, in further sessions, we will learn various functions in Python, various functionalities in Python. Thank you.